90% of Germans are in the public health insurance. But politicians, the guys who make the rules, almost 70% of them are in the private health insurance. Even our health minister is insured privately. Let that sink in. Are they getting VIP treatment that the rest of us is missing out on, or will they regret being in private eventually, when their premiums explode as they get old and they cannot go back to public anymore? Let's uncover the benefits of public and private health insurance so you can make the smartest choice for your health and your wallet. The first benefit of the public health insurance is that it's built on solidarity. That means the healthy help the sick, and everyone is accepted regardless of your age, pre-existing conditions, or any other characteristics. And everyone gets the same coverage, no matter who you are and how much you pay, because the coverage in public is determined by law. And that's why all 95 public health insurance companies here in Germany have almost the same coverage. That is a lot different in the private health insurance. The first benefit here is that coverage can exceed what's necessary. In fact, you decide what's necessary and what's not. While the coverage in public is defined by law, private health insurances allow you to customize your benefits. You can tailor your health insurance exactly to your needs, making sure you get exactly the coverage you are looking for without paying for unnecessary benefits you don't even need. You want to get treated by a chief physician in the hospital? No problem. You want to get the best dental replacements possible and not these metal teeth that you get in public? Alright then. And if we can help you select the best private health insurance plan possible, one that gives you exactly the benefits that you want, you can book a free meeting with us right here. As we work with almost every health insurance company here in Germany, we couldn't care less if you go for insurance A or insurance B. Our goal is to find the best plan for you, something these insurance agents will never be able to do. There's only two requirements. You need to be somewhat healthy to get into the private health insurance, and you need to earn above 73,800 euro to be able to choose your health insurance freely. With a lower salary, you are a forced member of the public health insurance. And because you can choose your benefits freely in private, the second benefit is that your coverage will be better than in the public health insurance. Public is so bureaucratic with its benefits catalog that it takes on average 10 to 216 months until a new treatment, a new drug, or a new procedure is approved. That can be 18 years. So if you want to have access to state-of-the-art medicine, private is the only way. And while it can take months for public patients to get an appointment with a specialist, private patients usually get an appointment within a day or two. Why? Because of the so-called Besuchspauschale. Your doctor gets paid once per quarter for treating a public patient. And that's why you get an appointment in the next quarter if you want to see him again. And that's the reason why some doctors don't work with public patients at all. You can only visit them as a private patient, or if you pay yourself. Or you get additive insurances on top of your public health insurance instead of switching from public to private. But then you pay even more than you do for public already. The second benefit of the public health insurance is that it's super easy to switch from one public insurance to another. While private asks health questions or sends you to the doctor before they accept you, public accepts anyone at any time, making it as flexible as possible. One reason why you might want to switch from one public insurance to another is the Zusatzbeitrag. As of making this video, you could save about 2.5% in costs by switching from the public health insurance with the highest additional contribution to the one with the lowest additional contribution. And you can save a lot more money by following our 6 tips in this video. Another reason to switch public health insurances might be that your insurance company just lowered the coverage again, which can never happen in private. And that's the third benefit of private, that coverage is contractually guaranteed, giving you lifelong security. You might not be in Germany long enough to notice, but since I was born, public dropped coverage for glasses, for new teeth, for non-prescription drugs, and a lot more. That's never gonna happen in private. The private health insurance is a private contract between you and your insurance company. And private contracts enjoy legal protection. Neither the government nor your insurance company can change the contract to your disadvantage. PerFinEx stands for Personal Finance for Expats, so let's talk about money. The third benefit of the public health insurance can be that the premium is based on your income. You pay 14.6% of your income as standard contribution, on average 2.9% as additional contribution, and 4.2% for public care insurance. That is 21.7% of your gross salary up to a maximum of 66,150 euro. Meaning you pay 50% of 1,196 euros a month and your employer pays the other half. That's a shit ton of money. Where's the benefit, you might ask? Well, the same percentages apply no matter how much you earn. If you earn a lot of money, it's not great, I agree. But if you earn very little, you can be insured insanely cheap. Here's the public pension payout from a tenant in one of my rental properties. This woman is 86 years old and pays not even 150 euros a month for her public health insurance. She pays almost the same as I do for my private health insurance, but she is 50 years older than me. So you might pay a lot in public, okay, but your family could be insured for free. And that's the fourth benefit. There are certain conditions, of course. Your family members must have no income or a very low income, maximum 535 euros a month, and your kids have to be younger than 25. Then you can insure your spouse and your kids for free, like I tell you in this video. But not your parents or other family members. You cannot bring your retired parents from India and expect them to be insured for free under your family insurance. That's not gonna work. The premium in private, however, is not based on your income, but rather on entry age, health status, and benefits you want. And that's the fourth benefit in private, that high earners pay so much in public that they will almost certainly save money by switching to the private health insurance. That's why I pay 350 euros for my 5-star private health insurance only, split 50-50 between me and PerFinEx. Instead of 1,200 euro, I would pay for public health insurance with 1-star coverage. And no, my premium will not get more expensive later this year when I get 1 year older. Entry age matters in private, not your current age. So if that's not the perfect opportunity to lock in your entry age and book a free meeting with us right now, I don't know what is. And your premium in private can get even cheaper because you can get cashback. My medical bills last year were less than 300 euros. I paid for those myself, and that's why I received almost 900 euro in cashback from my private health insurance. Easy 600 euro in my pocket. And if you want to know if there's something you can improve with your insurances, you might want to watch this video now. And if you don't want to do the work completely on your own, you can try our free PerFinEx contract check on our website perfinex.de.